everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another clean with me. This is more of a realistic clean with me. I don't really like to get up on a Saturday and take a shower, do my hair, do my makeup and everything just to clean the house, because I get into it. I get sweaty, I get dirty, and I just don't think getting ready to clean the house is the thing for me. I'm not knocking it for anybody else that does it, just for me, I don't. So as you can tell, the place is a teetotal mess. It looks like I have 4 children that live here. No, it's just Bodie. But I am going to get into getting all this stuff cleaned. Let me know if you like cleaning videos. I think I'm going to start getting back into them and incorporating them into my channel. So give this one a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, I wanted to let you know, I had some questions on my last one about how I did the dog hair on the couch. All it is just a regular rubber, house cleaning glove, and I just kind of wipe everything up as much as I can, and then I'll vacuum it. But it does help extremely to get the bulk of the hair up. But like I said, if you have any suggestions on how to get that done easier, please let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. Also, please excuse my voice. I'm battling a cold, I think. But let's go ahead and get started and get all of this stuff cleaned up. I hope you guys enjoy it. Turn on some music, put it in the background, and start cleaning yourself. So yeah, let's just get right on into it.
Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it, yeah, we just wanna have fun, the trunk's full of wine, we're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives, the night is young, don't need anybody else, we came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone, we don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me and you, yeah. You just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. Baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me and you, yeah. You just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. Baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do. You make me feel I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Everybody I do, yeah. 'Cause I do. You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweater. I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun, oh no. We can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun, oh no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get so lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not, but I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun, oh no. You shine brighter, brighter than a diamond. Your shine's lighter, lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sun. You're lighter than the sunlight. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun, oh no. We can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun, oh no.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right.
All right, guys, so it has come to the end of the video. I did just want to quickly mention that I did clean my bathroom, but I got so caught up in cleaning that I didn't take my camera in there, so I didn't get it filmed, but it did get cleaned. Also, I did not mop the kitchen floor because Ruben had actually just taken Bodhi to the park, and I knew he would come back in that way and they would be dirty, so I wasn't going to mop it just for him to walk back over top of it. But I did end up mopping it later on that evening. So again, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button before you go. I'd love to have you a part of my YouTube family. Also, if you come by and you watch videos every now and then, I have noticed that a lot of my viewers are not subscribers, so it doesn't cost a thing. Just go ahead and click that button. I would appreciate it. I love you and I thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.